Hi everyone, and welcome to the step-by-step demo video for the Utensil Reflections acrylic painting project. For this project, you will be expected to create a hyper-realistic painting of utensil reflections, demonstrate mastery of acrylic painting techniques such as value blends and color mixing, create a strong composition, and demonstrate knowledge of light logic, specifically with highlights and shadows. So you may be wondering what hyperrealism is. Hyperrealism, also sometimes known as photorealism, is a genre of art, particularly in painting and sculpture, that aims to create incredibly lifelike and detailed images, often indistinguishable from high-resolution photographs. To create your hyperrealistic painting, you'll need a strong photograph of utensils. We suggest using bright colored fabric below the utensils and above it with a strong light source to capture those reflections. If you can't take your own photos and need copyright-free utensil photographs, we have a link to our collection in the description below. Once you have chosen your photo reference, we suggest creating a color mixing palette or chart to match your paint colors and streamline the hyperrealism process. To get started, you will need canvas, a ruler, and a pencil. On your canvas, lightly draw either a 1-inch or 2-inch grid depending on the size of your canvas. You will then place a grid over your reference photo with the same amount of squares. Next, we suggest creating an underpainting with watered down acrylic paint in any color of your choice. An underpainting creates an excellent base layer prior to painting. When that's dry, you will use the grid method to lightly sketch your reference image on your canvas. Make sure to draw in the basic contour outline as well as any major highlights and shadows, and don't forget to draw the fabric folds. You are now ready to paint. You can use any brand acrylic paint that you desire. For this project, I used Blick's version of acrylic. There are many ways you could go about this project. Some artists begin by working everywhere, layering their values as they go. The method I'm demonstrating in these photos is to work one section at a time, blending as I go. No matter what method you choose, make sure to also paint the edges of your canvas because it creates a finished piece that's ready to hang on the wall as is. And here you can see I have finished my hyper-realistic utensil reflection painting. It's fun to compare it to the reference image to see how well I matched paint colors and captured shapes, reflections, and values. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please note that the link to this full unit can be found below in the descriptions. Thanks again, and make sure to subscribe and follow us at Art Teacher Fusion for more art teacher resources.